What's up, guys? Sorry, let's restart that. Hey guys, what's up? What's gaming here? Well, oh god. What the well, I was just being in the mirror. Never mind. So, today's video we have some exciting news. Well, not yet. So you guys are like, hey, why is your videos going to your old channel? In your old channel? Well, because somehow they're going to my channel. I did say in my last video, I can upload videos to it, but somehow, I mean, to be fair, I did say I don't think I can, but the videos I've been uploading have been going there. It's so weird. It's like, I don't even know. That was just creepy. I'm gonna kill myself. So today we are gonna I see you, pet. Get out of it. Get your mugs out. Where'd you go? See you. So anyway. Oh, that was sick. Let's replay that. That's not a replay. Anyway. Is that what I'm saying? We are gonna be Deadpool. Well, not technically. Got some Deadpool toys I'm trying to put on. Okay. Here's a dual wheel sword. Going its back. You see this? Right there. See? We're taking out for in. Oh, I got it. Yeah. Baby, one's in. Okay, now how am I gonna get the other one? I don't. I put it in my slot. And then he carries one sword in his back. I got it. Then he takes his other sword out and combat. Okay, but Deadpool. Okay, I'm just kidding. We are not going to be Deadpool today. He's the dumb boob. Sorry if you guys, yeah, I'm going to end the video now. Psych. I'm just going to kill myself again. Okay, where is it? My real... This will be happening a lot in this video. Good day. Okay. And it makes the jam. Why does it keep on? It's actually blowing my mind. I'm just gonna go so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna fall asleep. I'm just my eyes a bit bloodshot though, so yeah. Stop on with it, camera! Bruh. Where at? Spotlight. There he is. He's right there. He's right there in the camera. So, let's get back to that. Okay. I can't find him yet, so. Sweetie, where are you? My name's Sweetie, though just the cat's name. Oh, there you are. Oh my god, it's right there. I didn't even see it. Oh, God. I'm just under the bed. See it? Look. Is that big? As bright as it can get, I think. That's probably why the lights on. Did you see it? It's moving. There it is. It's mouse. Look, it's right there. Where my finger is right next to my finger. It is right there. I am miles away from it, so I might as well leave. And also, I forgot to say, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, comment down below. I'll reply to all of you, and I like you guys. If you subscribe to me, I will wear my merch. But too bad it's not on sale. Yeah, not on sale. Yeah.
Can you?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. That's it. I'm a meowie. Okay. Is that still under there? It's still in its house. My God. Yeah, Mum. It's in its house. It's in its little home. Okay, the video has been 8 minutes and 20. I was about to say 24 then. 8 minutes and 35 seconds now. So, go in my room and I might end the video here. So, but before oh, for goodness sake. Oh, for goodness sake, screw this. Whew, I thought my video ended then, Jesus. Okay. Time is ticking, time is ticking, time is ticking, time is ticking. Da 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 da. No. Oh my god. No, no, no. Don't see me take off my underwear. No, 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 no. No! Anyway, Pikachu, Lola, say bye. Goodbye, everyone! Subscribe to the channel! Wham! Pikachu? Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Leave a like as well, baby boys. Let's do that, boys and girls. Goodbye. Goodbye. Lola, Pikachu, and the video. Whoa!